Bardel has been in the animation industry for over 30 years. It started off as an ink and paint company, sort of a mom and pop type of shop, and slowly grew their business to digital. Netflix has been a huge client, and of course that's moved to Disney and Amazon. The growth of the studio and the goals of the studio is really to take it up from TV to hit that feature film level. The expansion into Montreal was very strategic. It was proximity to the talent in Europe, but also the talent pool within Montreal. It's something that Bardel has always wanted to do, but obviously the technology piece did come into play. It was going to be one studio would be the main studio to have and house all of that data, where the other studio would be speaking to that.
The main desire that Tina had was for us to redesign Bardel as an organization and allow it to be scalable and to go into a global market, so that it could go from a single geographic to a multi-geographic infrastructure.
Bardel's working on a new project. They reached out to Clutch Media to be able to assist in developing a solution. We brought some of the vendors in the top right-hand corner of the Magic Quadrant. Qumulo won this primarily because of GNS. Global namespace is such a game changer. It provides a seamless way to collaborate on the same assets between different locations around the world.
We can have our data centralized in one geographic location, be it the master. Then we can have a replica created in another geographic location, in our case in Montreal, where all that data can be utilized for any of the artists that are being brought online. And a project that would have been region-bound is now global and can go to any resource, anytime, anywhere. Meaning that we can be more flexible, we can be more agile, and by being more agile, we give that opportunity back to our clients. And they can be more creative and more agile in their thinking of how they want to run a production.
What Bardel is looking to do, and what Qumulo enables them to do with GNS and Scale Anywhere, is to set up virtual studios in the cloud. They could go into smaller hubs, for example, and not have to set up physical space there. If the top talent is there, they could go there.
Qumulo and Clutch understood that need, and quite frankly, there wasn't really anyone at the level of where they were. And our anticipation is that they will be working with us and expanding with us and growing in our long-term plans.